Hi, welcome back to new James session. And in today's James session, I will discuss about what is data types and what is variables and why we need in using it on every programming language. Like if you're learning Python, if you're learning JavaScript, C, C++, any programming language. This is the introduction of every programming language. That is what is data types and what is variables. So first, start from a simple way. I will show you some example. Just 1 second. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so this is a white screen. You can see it. Okay, so here I want to show something. This is a container. Suppose this is a container. This is a can. Okay, this is a top. You can say this is a top. Okay, and this is a and another thing, this is a, suppose it's a bottle, water bottle. It is a water. This is a bottle, and this is a pen stand where you keep your pen. Okay. So first of all, if I say these all are the variables, all are called variables. Variables means in a short term we can say variables is a container where we can store some things, any type of products or any mobile phone or any things, any materialistic thing. So in programming language, we need to first write the variables. And variables is a container. Here is different types of container. Here is a top, and here is a water bottle, and here is a pen stand. And all the containers whose which contains a different things. In programming language, we can say if I say x equal to 10, and then I say y equal to hello. Okay. And if I say z equal to true. Okay. So these are the things. And if I say mm, other things, you can say o equal to uh, 2.02. Here, in this way, you can try it in different way. And all the here we can say X, Y, Z, and O. These are the containers. And we can say it simple as variables. In simple word, in our local word, we can say variable is as similar as container, which contains a value. Okay, a variable contains a value. A container contains something. So this variable contains something, value. If I say x variable contains 10 value, y variable contains hello, different. And how many types? These are the different types of value they are stored, different variables. So these are called the data types. Here 10 is a different data types, hello is a different data types, true is a different data, all are some different structures. So these are called data types. And mainly data types, it is varies from programming language to programming language. So basically I can say in focus on JavaScript. If I say about JavaScript has the two mainly officially as per the ECMAScript, there are mainly two main branches of data types, that is primitive and non-primitive. It is divided based upon how we store these all the things on our database, or sorry, all the store things we store in our memory and how we can access it. So based upon it, we divided it into two types, that is primitive and non-primitive. First of all, we discuss about primitive data types. Primitive data types, which is uh, memory gives you, you can as change, you can't change directly through the memory. You just software, you just give you a copy of that particular data types or anything. So then you can, whatever you change, you just changing that copy. You will deep dive on it. You can check out the official site ECMAScript. So first is our, we can say, okay. So let's uh, let's remove it. Okay. Okay. So first of all, here I want to discuss about that is first is our string and boolean and our integer and null and undefined and weak int and we can say symbol. As per the official data, these all are uh, branch of primitive data types. Okay. So these are called string. String, what is string? String is based upon the character. Suppose if I say any type of name, this alphabetically, मतलब A to Z, any type of A to Z name, it is called string. And Boolean, it's called about true or false statement, which is, we can say, conditional. Okay. So like this is true. That means this is a Boolean. And we can say integer. What is integer? Integer is about number from 0 to 9. Or here in JavaScript, we can, if there is a decimal number, decimal also include in number. Okay. So these are things. Null means there is empty, nothing, zero. We can say zero. Zero also have a value. Suppose if I put the right side of one, if I put zero right side of one, it value is increased. So zero have a value. So undefined means we didn't define anything. Suppose I just writing something x z equal to, I just write z equal to nothing. So that means I didn't define any value. So this is the data types is undefined. Basically, it is on JavaScript. A big int especially used for a scientific number, like there is a big number. So in that scenario, we use big int, and symbol is specially for a unique value, which is for backend use. As a user surface level, you can't recognize it. And if I say non-primitive data types, you can say it. Another thing, I say here I just write something non-primitive, non-primitive. That is also object and arrays and function. This is the main things about non-primitive data types, which is included on JavaScript. So these are the main things. And next session, I've discussed with all the things, example, and how you can check each and every data types, how it is used on real life with project, with practical code editor. Okay. So for today's session, that's it. We'll see you on next session. Have a good day. Bye.